Hey everyone, to be honest, most riders would probably choose the Lectric XP4, which is proof of how far value-packed e-bikes have come. Lectric is known for providing outstanding value, and with the XP4, they've pushed the envelope once again without increasing the cost of the base model, which is still an unbelievable $999. The base model and the long-range model are the two different versions of the XP4. Even in a crowded market for folding e-bikes, those prices are very competitive considering what these bikes offer in terms of performance, build, and amenities. The real riding and usability improvements are what really set the XP4 apart, even though the figures on paper are outstanding. According to Lectric's own dyno data, the 500-watt motor, for example, performs better on e-bikes of the same price than many other 750-watt motors. Additionally, the enhanced power is instantly apparent when you choose the long-range variant. The revolutionary TFT color display, which is both aesthetically pleasing and extremely visible in full daylight, is one of the main features. Thanks to a new torque sensor, it now provides comprehensive readouts, such as your pedal power input. Compared to earlier XP generations, this torque sensor improves pedal assist responsiveness, resulting in a smoother and more natural pedaling experience. Without ghost pedaling, biking at maximum speed is surprisingly pleasant and efficient when a larger 56-tooth chainring is added. An updated cockpit is another advantage of the XP4. A much better Shimano Altus 8-speed derailleur is controlled by updated trigger shifters, enhanced locking grips, and a more sensitive left-side thumb throttle. The XP series now offers a more sophisticated shifting experience thanks to this upgrade from the prior 7-speed tourney arrangement. Newstar Union hydraulic disc brakes, designed specifically for Lectric, handle braking, and have more stopping power than the earlier models. As a fun little Easter egg for enthusiasts, these brakes even have a model number that references Lectric's Arizona origins. Round tubing on the rear rack provides wide accessory compatibility, while the frame and rack design preserve Lectric's distinctive, boxy aesthetic. Inspired by luxury bikes such as the Specialized Globe Haul, tires have also been improved. Though significant off-roading may reveal their limitations, particularly in wet or muddy circumstances, these hybrid tires are smooth on pavement and knobby enough for light off-road excursions. There are additional advances in practicality and safety. The addition of turn signals in the back adds visibility but isn't revolutionary. The long-range battery requires roughly 3.5 hours to fully charge, whereas the normal battery may be fully charged in as little as 2 hours. Visually, the XP4 continues to accommodate a variety of rider preferences by coming in 4 colors: blue, green, white, and dark gray, as well as step-through and step-over frame types. Long-term durability is not covered in this initial ride evaluation, but the Lectric XP4 stands out from the competition because of its many well-considered modifications and premium parts. Although there is certainly opportunity for improvement, such as the incorporation of GPS tracking, these are small complaints given what Lectric has managed to fit into a bike that costs less than $1,300. The Lectric XP4 is not only a good option for anyone looking for a foldable e-bike that excels in performance, comfort, safety, and cost, but it's also possibly the finest in its class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.